Guys, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I'll show you guys how I do prepare my chicken stew gizzard. So if you're joining me for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe if you like my content. And on this channel I do share a lot of food recipes, healthy recipes, weight loss recipes, smoothie recipes, and a bit of my lifestyle. You're highly welcome to join this beautiful family. So stay tuned and watch till the end. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the real deal. I don't take your support for granted. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch my content. Our ingredients for this recipe will be 3 kilograms of chicken gizzard, all washed, 2 bell peppers, red and green, a teaspoon of curry powder, a teaspoon of all seasoning powder, a teaspoon of thyme, garlic paste, ginger paste, parsley and coriander well chopped, black pepper, a pinch of salt, a cup of olive oil, 2 scotch bonnets, 2 seasoning cubes, 4 fresh diced tomatoes, 2 red diced onions, and of course a blender cup here to blend our fresh tomatoes. We'll go ahead now and cook our gizzard until it's soft and tender. I'll just sprinkle a pinch of salt. Add in some of the garlic paste, some of the ginger paste, some of the black pepper, some of the all seasoning powder, some of the curry powder, some of the thyme, 1 seasoning cube. I like just squashing it with my hand. Now allow this to simmer for about 2 minutes before adding any water. Let's give it a gentle stir. And I'm adding some of the onions. We'll make sure we cook this until it's soft and tender. So I'll just pop the lid on and allow this to cook for about 2 minutes before adding any water. In the meantime, I'll just go ahead and blend my tomatoes. I'll add in the 2 scotch bonnets, a little bit of onion, so I'll blend this into a paste. Let's go ahead and check our gizzard. It's been about 2 minutes. As you can see, there's still enough water to allow the gizzard to further cook. So I'm not going to add any water because the gizzard has produced so much water that we don't need any water at this point in time. So I'll allow it to cook until it's soft and tender. So I'll just pop on the lid again. Let's go ahead and check our gizzard. It's been boiling for about 25 minutes. As you can see, the water has all dried up and our gizzard is nice and tender. So I'll just put this aside. We'll go ahead now and prepare our stew for the gizzard. So just add about a cup of olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. And then I'll add in our tomatoes and pepper paste. Gently stir that and allow this to simmer for a couple of minutes. Into the tomato pepper sauce, I'll add the remaining garlic paste, the remaining ginger paste, the remaining black pepper, the remaining all seasoning powder, remaining thyme, the remaining curry powder, a pinch of table salt, the last seasoning cube. And then I'll go ahead now and just add in the gizzard into the tomato paste. We'll give it a good stir. The aroma is just out of this world. I'm going ahead now to garnish it with the bell peppers, the remaining red onions, the chopped paste, parsley and coriander. I'll go ahead now and give it a good stir. And our stewed gizzard will be ready in a couple of seconds because I don't want to overcook the bell peppers and the onions. Look at that, guys. You can have this with some rice, white rice. You can have it with some roasted plantains. You can have it on its own. You cannot go wrong with chicken gizzard. If you're joining me for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.